Greetings, I'm Mr. Sean, welcome to my channel, and today we're doing Warcraft cooking reviews, doing Pandaren Cuisine, where we will enjoy Pandaren Plum Wine, steaming goat noodles. I screwed up yesterday, that is why this video is late, because I was... Take it away.
You are not prepared.
Exactly. Preparation is key for the steaming goat noodles, so let's begin with something easy, with the plum wine. Into a tumbler, put 1.5 ounce white grape juice, 1.5 ounce orange juice, 1 tablespoon of plum jam. I don't have a tumbler, so I have a nice little glass jar. Give it a shake. And dump it into a glass. With ice cubes, preferably. Then top it off with a dash of ginger ale. This is a very smooth drink, very delightful. I should have used orange juice without pulp. It would have made it much more smooth and delightful, but very tasty. Now for steaming goat noodles. It is key to be prepared. Have everything ready to go before cooking, because things will happen very quickly. Didn't destroy the food I made, it just overcooked it a little bit. Wasn't as pleasant looking. So here I am preparing my parsley, my green onions, and my bamboo shoots. Don't forget to mince the parsley. I have everything ready to go, prepped and waiting. The recipe for steaming goat noodles is for 4 people, but I will only make a single serving, double the ingredients for additional people. First things first, prepare soba noodles according to instructions. Let your noodles cook for 3 to 4 minutes before starting the wok or pan frying. This way, while your meat is cooking, you could drain your noodles and plop them into your bowl. I'm using a wok, and into it I will put about a tablespoon of peanut oil and 1 minced garlic clove. Cook the garlic until they're fragrant, then drop in 1/4 pound of lamb stew meat, cook the lamb meat for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon red curry and 1/8 teaspoon turmeric. Give that a quick mix around the wok. Then add 2 ounces of goat's milk. If you don't have access to goat's milk, I would believe coconut milk would be a good substitute, and 1 tablespoon or so of peanut butter. Add 4 ounces of beef broth. And your bamboo shoots. You can add parsley right now. It's supposed to be for later, but I'll add it now. What the heck? I'm cooking it. Whether you add it now or later, it's not that big a deal. Now, add a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. And mix it all up. Let's simmer for about a minute or 2. And at the very end, we'll add a dash of lime juice, a dash of red pepper flake, So here's my bowl with my noodles in them. Now I'm carefully going to pour it into my bowl. And here it is in all its beautiful glory. It's a nice strong yellow color on the noodles and on the lamb. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you overcook it, it'll go a lot browner. Not as good looking, but still delicious. But this is, of course, way better. So with this and with the plum wine, this is a great meal to celebrate Hatsune Miku's birthday yesterday. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next week. Ciao!